If you have an active lifestyle and you're looking for some new earbuds, well, today I'll be checking out the latest sports earbuds from Soundcore, the Sport X10. Thanks to Soundcore for sending these out for my honest thoughts. Available in 3 different color options, black, oat white, and red, the Sport X10 is IPX7 waterproof and sweatproof, so they won't stop working even if they get wet. They'll stay on while you hit the treadmill or heading out on a run without having to worry about them falling out of your ears, with the 210-degree rotatable ear hooks. They have an 8-hour battery life and a case that provides 3 additional full charges. So even if you forget to charge them before heading out for a long session at the gym, you can get them up and running quickly by popping them into the case for just 10 minutes. Rounding out the features, the X10 also includes 6 mics with hybrid active noise cancellation, 10mm drivers with bass-up technology, Bluetooth 5.2, and of course support in the Soundcore app, which also includes a new function called Breathe, which we'll take a look at a little later. Unpacking the box, we have the quick start guide and user documentation, a USB-C charging cable, a variety of different silicone tips to find the perfect fit for your ears, the charging case, and the X10 earbuds. As you can see, these are quite compact. And in terms of the build, they're mostly made of plastic, while the ear hooks are made of a really flexible rubber, which rotates 210 degrees. At first glance, the hooks look a little small when comparing them to the Spirit X2 earbuds. But when using them, I found that they ended up securing to my ears just fine. Just like the buds, the case is pretty small, coming in at 3 inches by 1 3/4 inches, so it will fit nicely into any pocket. On the front, there's an LED indicator light that provides the charging levels, with the same panel also being used as a release button for the lid. On the back, there's a USB-C charging port, which is the only way to charge the case as there's no wireless charging. And just over to the right, there's the reset button. The buds in the case are lightweight, each bud weighing in at 7 grams, while the case weighs 40 grams. For the controls, we have a physical button located on each bud, as they are not touch-enabled. The buttons are fully customizable using the Soundcore app, so you'll be able to do things like control the volume, skip tracks, play or pause music, or even cycle through the different ANC options. The overall playback experience was pretty good. The audio was crisp and clear, and I never experienced any distortion. Now, using them to watch videos, I didn't find them to have the greatest experience. While using them to watch videos on both my phone and my computer, the audio was out of sync from the video most of the time. Ambient modes are scaled down from what you would normally find in the pricier bud options, only offering normal, noise cancellation of voices and mid-level frequencies, and transparency mode so you can hear what's going on around you. The breathe feature in the app was an interesting option to add. The breathing exercises are essentially just telling you when to inhale and exhale. Now, I personally didn't find this feature something that I like to use, but I can see the value in it. The bass was good, but not very deep. For the volume, setting it at the max volume, it was a perfect setting for me. The battery life was really good. On a full charge, I was able to get 9 hours and 23 minutes with the volume set to 80%. The buds were not only just comfortable when placed in my ear, but the rubber hooks were very flexible and added no additional discomfort. With a combination of the perfect silicone tip and the ear hooks, I was able to use them on light jogs without having to readjust them or worrying about them falling out. As for the mics, I'm going to let you decide yourself. The audio that you're listening to is coming directly off the mics on the X10. This is where I'm going to end today's video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.